Wow! Nice bowling, Peter. Stand aside. This rabbit's going to show you how pinecone bowling is done.
Maybe facing the pine cones would be a good idea?
Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Remember what we told you.
1.
A nice smooth action.
Smooth as an acorn. 2.
And quick.
Quick as the wind. 3. Whoa!
Look out!
Ah! It's okay. No harm done.
Oh. Ouch! Oh.
Uh-oh. Oops.
Oh.
Sorry, Nutkin.
That's okay. We squirrels have very hard heads, like feathers. No, that's not right. Wool? No. Wait. Wood! Ah, that's it.
We're teaching Benjamin how to bowl.
It's harder than it looks.
Well, yes, that's because you're a rabbit.
Whoa, hey! What's that supposed to mean?
Oh, nothing. But it's a squirrel-typically proven fact that we're just better bowlers than you rabbits.
OK, Nutkin. How about a little game to find out who's the best bowler in the woods?
Sure! Great idea. But it'll be me. Just saying.
Ha! We'll see about that.
Mwah, thank you. Mwah, thank you. Mwah. Let's do this! Hey!
My turn.
Come on, Peter.
I can't watch.
Yes!
Nice bowling. Did you see how he flicked his wrist to make the crabapple spin? It was like zoom! And then wham! And the pine cones were like spacow! Benjamin?
Did he do it?
Yeah!
Yay! Peter! 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 Peter!
Hey! Felix!
Whoa! Ah, whoa! Oh, those squabbling squirrels! I'll teach them to wake me up!
Yeah!
Not bad for a rabbit. Watch this. Mwah, mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. This one's for you. Handstand bowling.
Now, that's just showing off.
Ooh.
Ah! Oh, Brown!
Ha! Nice try, Lily. But you can't fool me that easily.
She's right! Incoming now! Run!
And strike! Wow!